two times. And here we'll do another video for y'all, a little something new, a little tutorial video for y'all. About to teach y'all how to make a little beefy steak. Right now it's not thawed out yet. I'm about to thaw it out. I'm about to come back to y'all all the things that you need. Alright, first things first, make sure you thaw out your steak for like at least 30 minutes, or at least until it's kind of smooth or whatever. Alright, while we're waiting for the steak to thaw out in the sink right now, then we're just gonna like stall by doing little workouts. You know, one thing I usually do is push-ups. So do some push-ups real quick. I'm about to show off real quick.
Yep.
Yeah. See that definition. Alright, so still waiting for it to thaw out. So do a little jumping jacks.
Fresh Boys on the track.
Gotta get that heart rate pumping, yo. Gotta get that blood pumping. And shoot, I made myself out doing all that. Alright, everybody, for this, to make a steak, you're gonna need these particular seasonings. You need salt, pepper, seasoning salt, and if you want, you can use a type of little steak type spice. Alright guys, as y'all can see, I got my steak thawed out, and now I'm about to do a little season it right now. First, I usually start off with the seasoning salt. Just put a little bit of that. A little bit. Not too much, but just a little bit. And then I go for the salt. Just run straight around.
Fresh Boys on the track.
Alright, you know, so, and usually y'all don't really have to do this, but I use this little making jerk. Whatever. Makes it taste a little special. I'm talking, dude.
Fresh Boys on the track.
finish with both sides. Get to your pan. And, yeah, make sure you have butter to add flavor to it. That butter puts that flavor into the steak.
Fresh boys on the Fresh
Alright,
boys
y'all, when y'all butter starts to boil a little bit, you can go ahead and put your steak in there. I don't got the gripper thing, so I just use this. Pick it up. When you put it in, turn the fire down a little bit. Get that butter in.
fresh boys
You want to make sure you get all that butter all up in your steak, so you can add that flavor to it. But personally, me, I like my steak well done. And if you like yours tender, I don't think you'll have to do this. I like to cut open my steak so the inside can be cooked and well done. Always like to cut at least like 3 layers of the steak. It's good. Awesome.
fresh boys on the track. Fresh boys on the track.
Alright everybody, that's how you make a steak, Camp 2-time style, and I'm not gonna show y'all me making all of the steak. I got more steak, but I'm gonna finish making them, but I'm not gonna show y'all all that. You know, y'all don't got time for all that, so but I might show y'all when I'm done. And that's pretty. It's a very pretty steak right there. Y'all see? You know, I know some of y'all probably don't like y'all's pretty dark or brown like that, but that's how I like mine. I like mine well done and brown and a little bit dark. That's all good right there. Yo, I'm getting the first piece of my nephew was on. Just waiting for him to cut that first piece off.
I'm murdering this thing.
Man, he said he gonna murder that thing.
I am.
Look good, don't it? Yeah, tell him how it tastes, man.
Good.
Alright. Yeah. Tell your uncle hook you up, man.
My Uncle Cameron hooked me up.
Yeah.
Cam 2 times.
Yeah, Uncle Cam hook you up, man. You know how I do. This big boy, he gotta eat, big boy. Probably future wrestler, future footballer, whatever you want to be, man. You keep eating. Bro, alright, y'all. I just finished cooking all the steak. I gave two to my nephew and 2 for me. With a side of salad. And you know, I'm very hungry right now. So, you know, I haven't ate all day. I've been doing errands for my mom, and you know, I've been doing. And this coronavirus got a lot of places almost emptied out. I mean, most of the stores emptied out. Soon all these stores about to go out of business. And it's about to be another Great Depression out this joint, bro. And you know, keep praying this thing find a little vaccine for this coronavirus or whatever, you know. And I'll give blood or do whatever, you know. So I'm about to start chowing down. You know, I'm hungry, so you know. But like always, I appreciate y'all viewing my videos, and yeah, I'll keep y'all posted on everything. Make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe, and like always, I'm Cam 2 times, and your boy, he's out.